Yeah.
It's a Batman beat.
Yeah. Shop on every night. Yeah. Bitch. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I bake my broccoli. This is frozen broccoli right here, but you can use fresh ones or whatsoever. I had extra broccoli that day, so I just freeze these and I'm gonna use them today. So basically what you will need here will be your adobo with pepper, which means everything is already in this adobo right here, so I don't need anything else added in here. And also you're gonna need your extra virgin olive oil. You can use regular oil as well. And also you're gonna need your onions or onion. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we coated this broccoli. I'm gonna use my olive oil and coat make sure I scribble oil, not much, okay, just so they won't stick. Okay, so they won't stick on the pan. And then after that, I'm gonna use this adobo right here, just to give it a flavor. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my onions. I'm just gonna sprinkle some and let it get crunchy in that oven. I actually heated my oven to 350, so I'm gonna leave this there for about 10 to 15 minutes and give me that crunchiness that I'm looking for. Okay,